Setting up a trust is a powerful way to ensure that your estate is handled according to your wishes. However, simply creating a trust isn't enough. You need to fund it. Funding a trust means transferring ownership of your assets into the trust so that the assets can be managed and distributed as described in that trust agreement. Many people find this part confusing. What exactly does it mean to fund a trust? In simple terms, funding a trust means transferring ownership of your assets, whether it's real estate, bank accounts, valuables, into ownership of the trust. The goal is to make yourself poor and the trust rich before the time of your disability or death. Now, if you fail to fund your trust during your lifetime, it essentially becomes an empty vessel. Your assets won't be governed by the trust at your death or disability, even if the trust was carefully set up. This could lead to those assets having to go through probate, which is probably what you were trying to avoid by creating the trust in the first place. The steps to transfer the ownership of assets to a trust are the same steps to transfer ownership to any person or business. It depends on the asset itself. A car has a car title with the DMV. Real estate has a deed registered with the Recorder of Deeds. Brokerage accounts have a registration with the brokerage company. It does take some time to methodically transfer your assets from your own name to the trust, but it's an important step to making the trust valuable to your loved ones. Please contact Trust and Estates Law Group in Raleigh, North Carolina if you have additional questions about how to fund your trust.